Hi everyone, hope you're all having a great day. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about BlackBerry stock because they've been awarded 2 government contracts. This is important because we know one of them is a big contract and it's new, and the other one is a renewal with an expansion, so increased revenue. The good thing is it comes in with this quarter, so this quarter's revenue could be year-over-year beat and quarter-over-quarter beat as well in terms of earnings and like revenue and all stuff. And it could beat street expectations. The only thing is though, I will mention something in this video for the street expectations for this quarter, but I'll go from there. And then also I'll do a year-over-year comparison, quarter-over-quarter comparison, street expectations and all this stuff in the next video after October 17th Q&A session, where they talk about the IPO structure for the IoT portion of the business for BlackBerry. So be on the lookout for that. Should be a good video. But in the meantime, I'm going to talk about these 2 contracts, significance, and a little bit of expectations. So if you want to go to BlackBerry Investors webpage, you could pull up these press releases and look over them yourself as well. Now, the United States Department of Homeland Security awards new PANS contract to BlackBerry. The reason why this is important and it's good, it got finally completed, is because we were told that this is a big contract and it took some time. It was mentioned about a couple quarters ago, and that they said that it's not abnormal for a big contract to get delayed. Now, how big is this? We'll find out in the earnings report that's announced in December, end of December of this year. But hopefully it's big enough where we see year-over-year beat, quarter-over-quarter beat, and beat street expectations. The only thing is, I will say for the street expectations, it is on the high side. That's a downfall. So you could still have a year-over-year beat, quarter-over-quarter beat, but yet still miss street expectations. The reason why, the street expectations is higher than last year's report on December and also last quarter. So they're expecting some big numbers. I don't blame them though, because John Chen stated that Q3 and Q4 will be on the higher side. The question is, how high will it be? But with this contract, plus with the next contract, the Canadian government, so this was announced October 11th, 2023, which was yesterday. And this Canadian government contract, it was announced in terms of press release today, October 12th, 2023. The government of Canada expands trusted partnership with BlackBerry. So it expands it, so it renews and expands. So expanded partnership with BlackBerry now gives the government of Canada a bespoke BlackBerry Cloud. This is a new portion, and extends and expands its use of BlackBerry UEM Dark Site and BlackBerry SecuSUITE. It seems like one of them is a brand new as well, because it says expands as well. So we got 2 pretty good contracts. I don't know how big this one is personally, but we know that the US one, we don't know how big it is as well, but we know that it's a big contract from what BlackBerry stated. So that's good. Hopefully that adds up in terms of good revenues where we could beat street expectations. Because if we beat street expectations, then we have a year-over-year beat, quarter-over-quarter beat, which would show revenue is kind of growing in a way, if you think about it. And then hopefully earnings per share is in the positive as well. But hopefully you like the video. Oh, quick disclaimer, like always, I'm not a financial expert or professional or anything, so please do your own due diligence and research before buying and selling. I do own shares in BlackBerry stock, so beware of that as well. And that's basically it. Hopefully you liked the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And if you did, consider dropping a like. It helps out the channel, so thank you so much for that. And if you want to be notified when I do upload my next video, consider following or subscribing. And that's it. See you next video. Thanks. Peace.